Dear students, today I will teach you how to write formal letters. Formal letters are impersonal letters. They are different from personal letters. Personal letters are written to our kith and kins, friends, parents, relations, etc. But formal letters are official letters. We follow a format of writing in the formal letters. And what is its format consist of? Number one, it should have a prescribed format. It should be written appropriately in a sequence. We should follow some norm of writing it. The language that we should avoid use of colloquial words. What are colloquial words? The words of our conversational words that we generally use in our daily conversation. We should avoid the words that we use generally in our chattings. We should avoid abbreviations. Abbreviations means contraction. The words which are contracted, short form of the words, should not be written. We should avoid slang language. Slang is actually jargon. Generally, we speak a language in our community, and sometimes this language is not known to the members of the other communities or the people out of our community. So we should avoid jargon. We should avoid the slang language. We should use formal language in our formal letter writing. Another point is that we must be precise. Precise means to the point, accurate. We should not stray from the actual point. We should not beat about the bush. We should write appropriately. We should write only those things which are relevant to the matter. Now coming to the types of formal letters. You must have heard about different kinds of letters. Letter to the editor, letter to government, letter to police, letter to principal, order letter, letter to principal, application to the principal. You must have written many times. Complaint letters, inquiry letter, business letter, application for a job, letter to the bank manager, invitation letter. All these are types of formal letters. Now, if we talk about the format of the formal letter, then we should remember these 8 points. What are these 8 points? First, we write sender's address at the top, followed by date, then receiver's address. Receiver's address means to whom we are writing this letter. And very important point is the subject of the letter. It means it indicates the matter on which we are writing this letter. Then salutation. Salutation means the words of respect like sir, respected sir, madam. This is salutation. Then body part. Body means content part, which contains all the matter on which you are writing. You write all the details. And then coming to the next point, that is complimentary closing. After completing your letter, you write words of regards like yours faithfully, yours sincerely. That is complimentary closing. And followed by sender's name, signature, designation. This is the end of the letter. Now, I will talk about the body of the letter, content part, how it should be written. We can divide it into 3 paragraphs. First one, introduction. First, the introduction of the matter that you want to going to write. Introduce yourself and purpose of writing in brief. In second paragraph, you will give details of the matter. You will write its pros and cons. And in the third stanza, third paragraph, you can conclude your matter, mentioning what you expect, what are your suggestions. You can write your expectations in the third paragraph. Like for example, a solution to your problem, to highlight an issue in the newspaper, etc. So this way your body part is completed. Now come to a question, and through this question we will understand the format of the formal letter. Write a letter to the mayor of your city seeking a solution to the problem of waterlogging in your area. problem of waterlogging in your area, it means you are writing a complaint letter, a letter of complaint, and you are writing it to the mayor of your city. You are Rani of Dharma colony, Ramgarh. So it is your location also, your address, and the person to whom you will write is mayor. And what is the subject? The waterlogging in your area. Now coming to the letter, understand it. First we write sender's address, then date, but avoid this writing DATE. Leave it. Don't write DATE. Write only date. Don't write DATE. Then the sender's address, the address of the receiver whom you are writing the letter, the mayor Ramgarh. You are going to write this letter to the mayor of Ramgarh. So you will write the mayor Ramgarh. It is followed by subject. Subject is very important. And what is your subject? Complaint regarding the problem of water logging in Dharma colony. That you have got from the question also. Then coming to the salutation, the words of respect, sir, madam. Then you will write body part. As I told you, you can divide it into 3 parts. First, introduce yourself, then write the problem. The resident of area are facing a lot of problems due to waterlogging. So this is the problem that you are raising here. In the second paragraph, you will write about about it in detail. And in the third paragraph, you will write your expectations. Please consider the issue as seriously and find the solution at the earliest. So this is the way to write body part of a letter. And at the end you will write complimentary clause. Complimentary clause is yours sincerely, yours faithfully, yours obediently. It depends on the type of the letter. And followed by name, signature and designation. It is not written here, but you should put your signature, the name and designation below it. So this is the format of the formal letter. In coming videos, I will tell about different kinds of letters, letter to editor, letters of orders, and letters of inquiry, etc. I will talk about all types of letters. Watch this video again and attempt the questions that are assigned to you after this. Thanks for watching video. Thank you and have a nice day.